Hi, this is Patrick from BIM Object, and this is the newly released Crawford LH6080L loadhouse from ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems, which is available for you to download at the bimobject.com portal or via our app, as well as the ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems private cloud. So the loadhouses here is a combination of a actual loadhouse, the dock shelters, and also the available dock levelers put together in different combinations. So we'll have a deeper look at this LH6080L. The LH6081L is also available for you. So in the UC interface, you can see to the right here, you have loads of options where you can actually configure and define your load house. And depending on which options you choose here, you get a different outcome of the other parameters and alternatives. So we have different kinds of housings, curtain shelters, and also swing docks here. You can also change the different dimensions here, and depending on what dimensions and which product you choose to put together, you get different options here. Everything to help you to configure the correct kind of load house. And when you're satisfied with your first configuration here, and you have chosen your shelter and leveler options as well as the housing, you can continue to the next page and choose how you want your load house configured. We have three options here: the insulated, uninsulated housing, and also the steel frame. This is of course represented for you in 3D as well. You also get a small description of what you're actually choosing here and what kind of fixing details you need. There's three different kinds of fixing for the load house itself. It's the insulated wall, concrete wall, and the light concrete wall. This of course follows with a small illustration and some instructions to it as well. In the accessories and options page here, you can choose the angular adjustment of the load house as well. If you want a angled installation, you can choose between 45 degrees and 135 degrees. And as you can see here, the model changes accordingly to your choice here, so you can fix it diagonally onto a wall if needed. There's also other accessories and options here which is available for you and will be represented in 3D view. Drain piping and gutters, for example. As you can see here, when I activate these also get activated in the 3D view. This of course helps you with the looks of it and the function of the actual options. And if we continue here to the next page, we have a description of the actual load house product. We also have shelter options, so we have some different options for the docking shelters, such as colors, for example. The front color here is always Crawford standard white, but you can choose the different RAL colors as well. So there's a full RAL color library included in this object. There's leveler options as well, as there is in the standalone levelers. You have the different lip types, lip shapes, and lip profiles, aluminium in this case, some oil settings as well, the standard ArchiCAD 2D and 3D drawings, and also links back to proper documentation and more information if needed. And as you can see, every option and every change I do actually reflects in the 3D view as well. And you're not constrained to use the user interface for changing things. You can also go in here and use the purple hotspots to dynamically change dimensions and other functions in the 3D view as well. So if you find this object interesting, it's available for you to download at the bimobject.com portal via the BIM Object app, or also via the ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems private cloud. Thank you very much for watching.